Hey everyone, Jesse here with the bird seeders that I'm setting up. So this is the Backyard Expressions 3-piece bird seeders, and I have some of this just regular old bird seed blend. And I didn't think that this would work, 'cause there are some smaller pieces in there, but the mixture is perfect. Dump some all over the place first. And then you just put the lid on, just like this. Has 2 notches in the top there. And then you can put these little hooks in, which allow you to hang it up. Stuff still pretty cold out here. And well, however I get this hung up. There we go. And then we can make some entertainment for our cat. There we go. There you have it. So you get 3 of them. I think I'll have to look at the price and everything. I'll link to them, but we'll see if some birds will take care of this for us.